When you're raising your hand, I want you to genuinely raise your hand, right? And what I mean by genuinely raise your hand is there's no agenda up my sleeve, right? An agenda up my sleeve is, hey, I wanted to make sure you knew I was out here, just wanted to raise my hand, let you know any questions you have on snow removal attachments or whatever it is any of us are selling, right? I'm here for you 100%, even if you need a second opinion, right? If they say, I'm all good, I'm all set, thanks, right? Don't pull, well, I'll be here when you need to blah, blah, blah. Just be like, cool. I just wanted to make sure you knew I was out here, right? I'll shoot you over my contact information in case anything comes up in the future, right? When you raise your hand, guys, to a fault, you have to not sell them in that session unless they aggressively go, were you just listening? And by the way, this does happen. Were you just in the, did you put one of those, I guess the air tags can't listen, but did you put listening devices in our office? We were just saying we got this problem. Man, that's interesting. What can I get you information on? Right, then you can pivot into that. But when you raise your hand, just genuinely, remember, the idea of you raising your hand is not to sell anybody. It's to get yourself out of obscurity so that they know who you are, that they know you're out there, they know you've got a heart of gold, and you're ready to help them whether they're a client or not. Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're gonna love this. I'm gonna teach you how to close right here, right now. I'm gonna cover all the costs for you. We're gonna get you the closing mini masterclass. I pick up all the costs. It's free to you. I'll cover the $299. Click the link in my bio. You're going to get access to the class. It's going to show you how to close anyone, anytime, without being pushy or manipulative. Your life is about to change. We're about to become best friends. Click the link in my bio. I'll cover the cost for you to learn how to close.